So we're going to do a little bit of video all about waves. You've learned roughly what waves are and the two types of waves. We're going to continue on now on to doing things like their form, what they're made of, and how to calculate them in terms of amps and wavelengths. So first of all, quickly recap. You've got your two types of waves. Okay, your two types of waves are longitudinal, that looks a little bit like a slinky. The longitudinal waves are found in sound. Only sound will travel by longitudinal waves, and they travel like that. Like a little slinky, okay? So if sound is going to be traveling, it's going to be traveling like this. That type of movement is called contraction and rarefaction. So when the waves come together, contract, rarefact. So rarefact just means basically pulling apart. Contract, rarefact, contract, rarefact. So that's how the longitudinal waves move, and they are sound waves, and that is it. Transverse is the other type of wave. So your transverse wave is like up, down, up, down, up, down. Light travels in transverse waves, and also sea waves travel in transverse waves. These ones travel horizontal and perpendicular to the flow of travel. What does that mean? Okay, it's basically, put your little point here, your rest point. Waves are traveling at right angles, horizontal and perpendicular to the flow of travel. So they're still flowing this way, even though they take a little detour up and down. These are your points of your wave. Okay, other two things that you learned yesterday was the rest point. Okay, so the rest point on your wave is a center point, okay? Each wave will go up to a certain height and it will come back down to a certain height. These are equal in distance, okay? Here, the line in the middle is called the rest point, okay? The rest position. And what you should know is your top of your wave is called your crest or your peak, okay? There's two words for it, crest or peak. The bottom is called a trough, T-R-O-U-G-H. Trough, okay? Just like a cow trough. Cow troughs. So that's your first part of what you should know compared to the two waves. So you've got two types of waves, longitudinal and transverse, okay?